Kambuni ya ukinyaniria niyo Safaricom niruguritie ngwataniro na biashara nini tauni ta EMBU nikenda kumatethereria ukinyaniria mawega mao kirima antu maengi nkuruki ngwataniro ino ni bamwe na maguri mandi ma kuthungira kiri mutandao kiri Abiacaara county ni Enurita Mwaniki atubesio.
Kambuni ya Safaricom ni ambiritie ngwataniro na avuri biashara anini thiini wa kaunti ya EMBU varia iramava internet ya nevenya nwati ya raithi niguo gutangacithia biashara ciao nendari ngurani cia ukinyaniria.
And for that reason, it was important for us to be here today to show them that Safaricom cares. This is part of our transforming lives purpose. So we came here so that you can talk to the people of EMBU, connect with them and find out how can we support them through technology to inspire them, to ensure that we give them financial well-being or help them understand how to get to that financial well-being. And lastly, to ensure that they are able to network with other like-minded businesses so that they can succeed.
Na varia mweke uyu uri mwega makiria kuri ayuthi aria matari na mawira kuona mari na kanya ga kuthondeka biashara na thimu ciao na kwiyendia na uguo kugwata umithio.
Because the youth kana andu ethi nio ndeto ino inyitite muno ugakumenya Kenya ni andu engi muno mataina kwandikwo kwa wira kana mataina mawira maria makoretwo mandikitwe na ria turaretwo maundu ta mama makoni internet AI social media ni marareta kindu gitagwa alternative employment.
Guku avuri biashara aria marendie indo ngurani mari na mweke wa kwendia indo ino kurasa makiria na kuria mari kuvitukirira thimu ciao.
Tanire na Safaricom business ni matukenetie muno ni undu omuthi matuthomithia uhoro wa gutumira technology njeru ta artificial intelligence na kuhuthira technology ta Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing na technology ici ciho latest. Anko ewe murimi munini ni Safaricom mena products cia kuwe ta murimi munini ya gutuma ugie KASTOMA.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya EMBU mbeta Baritumirani wa Musiri.